Access Tools wheel bullets are designed to hold the wheel in place while working on European vehicles that lack the wheel studs that American vehicles have. Wheel bullets are guide pin wheel hangers designed to aid in the safe and effective removal and installation of wheels on European vehicles. Never drop, damage, or scratch an expensive wheel again. Eliminate the risk of injury. Simply remove the top 2 wheel bolts from the wheel on the vehicle. Thread 2 wheel bullets into the hub through the wheel where the bolt was. Continue to remove the remaining wheel bolts and allow the wheel to rest on the wheel bullets. The wheel bullets will hold the wheel in place, keeping it safe from damage and you safe from injury. Remove the wheel safely by sliding it off the wheel bullets. To reinstall the wheel, use the wheel bullets to help guide the wheel into place on the vehicle. Thread the wheel bolts into the hub through the wheel, securing the wheel to the vehicle. Remove the wheel bullets from the vehicle and thread in the last 2 bolts, tightening them properly according to manufacturer's specifications. Made of heavy-duty anodized aluminum with a knurled handle for easy installation and removal. 2 wheel bullets are needed per wheel, or 8 per vehicle for any full vehicle maintenance. There are 2 14mm sizes and 1 12mm size to fit virtually all European vehicles as well as some American vehicles. The 6-pack is perfect for the road service professional, tow truck driver, at-home mechanic, or DIY individual. The 24-pack is perfect for the professional mechanic or automotive enthusiast. The included application chart features Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Porsche, Mini Cooper, Smart, Saab, Fiat, and more.